Hello friends, and welcome back to Pixie Dust and Parenting. I missed you guys. I have not posted in so long, and I've missed you. I just have been focused on other platforms right now. So if you're not following me on TikTok or you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go follow me over there. I will leave my links in the description box below. I don't want to do a big intro. I've missed you guys. I love you so much. But I'm super excited. Today I'm actually doing a collab with my friend Christy over at Christy's Corner. This is someone that I've been friends with for several years now, and I've actually done like a ton of swaps and stuff, like just in big groups, but I never get her name, and so I sent her a message. I was like, I would love to just like do something with you, and she was like, yes. So we sent each other just like a little swap box, and I'm gonna open for you on camera, so definitely go check out Christy. But let's get started. Okay, so Christy sent this super cute box. It's got like Small World and like little trucks and little like Disney icons, which I thought was so cute. But I'm super excited. I've been holding onto this box for months. Like I said, I've just been super busy with work and other platforms, and so I'm so excited that we're finally doing this. Okay, so, oh my gosh, this is so cutely wrapped. I'll show you in just a second, but she's so sweet. Oh, hope nothing broke. Me too, though it's just been sitting in my office, so I'm sure nothing broke. I'm sure it's fine. But here is like, oops, the inside of this box. So let's pull out the first thing. Oh, it's a bottle. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's got like the fairy lights. Wait, let's turn it on. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect for me. If you guys didn't know, I love Tinkerbell, but like the fairy lights in the bottle, this is like adorable, and it's got like this ombre effect too. Oh, this is so perfect. I'm definitely gonna put this, I've got a spot for it right over in my, like, I have like a Disney wall over here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Thank you. So here is, oh my gosh, look at these ears. They're little Tinkerbell ears, and they have like the rhinestones. This looks like, I think it's called like Magic Mountain Ears Company. This looks like her handiwork, because I actually have another pair of ears from her. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I love them. Here's a closer look. Look at that. It's like her little shoe. These are so cute, thank you. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is very me. This is very me. I drink out of these cups daily. Oh my gosh, and it says Pixie Dust and Parenting. I love it. But Tink, she knows Tink's my favorite. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh my goodness. This is so adorable. It's so, okay, hang on. It's a Loungefly, which I love, but it's like a Loungefly purse, which I need because I only have backpacks. But it's Tinkerbell. This is like a Tinkerbell themed box. I am loving it so much. Oh my gosh, this is so great. Thank you. Look at her. This is really pretty, and I love this. It comes with like a strap, so it can be like a crossbody. I love it. Oh, I love this. She made me like, I think she made this. I don't know. I think she made it. This is A. This is A for me. So I can hang it on the wall. This is very much my colors. So I use a lot of gray and white. Oh my gosh, Christy, I love this. I've got like a perfect spot in my office for it too. Christy, thank you so much. You absolutely spoiled me. I I'm so happy that we finally did this. I know that I personally delayed this forever, for way too long, and it was just because I have the worst time management. So, but thank you. Thank you so much for waiting for me and for doing this with me. This was so much fun. And yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you already have, make sure to turn that notification bell on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!